Livolo Smart EU Standard Socket. Home Automation. App. Voice. Manual Control. Excellent quality. How to install. Prepare the necessary accessories. Warning: 1. Be sure to turn off the power before installation. 2. Must be wired according to the wiring requirements. For easy operation, first install the metal frame on the wall box. Find the L port, N port, and the ground port. Loosen the screws and connect the wires. Connect the neutral wire to the N port. Tighten the screws. Connect the ground wire to the ground port. Tighten the screws. Connect the live wire to the L port. Tighten the screws. Check if the wiring is firm. Install the function key into the metal frame. Install the glass panel. Turn on the power. Check the indicator light. Blue is off, red is on. How to pair Livolo Smart EU socket to Livolo Home app. Make sure the Livolo Smart Gateway is paired and online. Open the Livolo Home app and click Add Device on the device page. Find the EU socket and enter the pairing page. Press and hold the switch for 5 seconds until you hear a beep. Complete pairing. Now you can control your Livolo Smart EU standard socket in the app. How to intelligently control electrical appliances. Plug the electrical appliance into the smart socket. Turn on the EU socket and the electrical appliance respectively, and then control it with the app. Note: the power switch of the electrical appliance must be turned on for the socket to control it. Click Timing to set the time or time period you want to turn on and off. Now let's set it to turn off after 1 minute to see the effect.